Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find events in the Ceasar's rewards application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the middle you will find the do and see section. Press on it. And if you look up there, you can see that we are right now in the dining section, and if you swipe a little bit to the right, you can see here the events one. You can just press on it, and here you can see basically the events. Here you can see festivals and basically special days and everything. You can check out any of them if you press on it, and you can see a short description about it. You can see even more if you press on see more. And you can also check out the place in the Google Maps if you want to. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.